When I was in my final semester of engineering, doing my honours project, which involved developing a GUI user interface for the electrical drive control systems in the RMIT Power Labs, when I was implementing this project with embedded C++ to be deployed on the Raspberry and Linux operating system, which you can find out more about on my website, one major problem that I came across when I was implementing my project was that the project source code did not have orthogonality. So this is a really bad practice, because what happened was that when I was implementing my project, when I was trying to fix one thing, more problems were needed to be fixed in the second part of the project, because all these things were linking up together, because I did not implement a concept of what we call orthogonality. And orthogonality is an advanced concept which, when you reach the advanced stages of learning the program, you need to understand what this concept is. So the definition of what orthogonality is that orthogonality is the concept of when one process doesn't affect another process. So let's picture this visually. Let's say that we have two processes. Let's say we have process A and process B. And let's say that we want to make changes in process B. So if we're able to make changes in process B without the effects of process A beforehand, that is what we have successfully implemented what we call orthogonality. If we don't successfully implement orthogonality in this scenario where we have process B makes changes to process A and it's all linked up, that is not successfully implementing orthogonality. And I could see this happening in my honours project when I didn't implement orthogonality, because when I was trying to implement my linked list to implement the windows and try to fix implementing images and all that onto these different windows, all of these were linking together in my source code, and it was just leading to more frustration and more debugging problems that I had to fix until my supervisor said, "Sahil, you need to make these separate. You need to implement something called orthogonality by making each of these different implementations of the functions separate. Because by making each implementation separate, the changes in each one won't affect each other." So that's when he said that I needed to implement orthogonality. And that's when I came across that concept when I read the book The Self-Taught Programmer, and in that book they really nailed it down of what orthogonality is. And today I'm able to share with you guys what it means to me and how I can simplify it in a very easy way and with a real life example, and how I came across it and how I needed to implement it in my project for it to be able to be running and successful and deliver a working project to my supervisor at the end. So there you have it, guys. That's what orthogonality is, and I hope that made a lot of sense for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed my latest video. As you know, I'm always giving you something new, but what I'd like for you to do is that I would like for you to click on the link below and sign up for my free report on the 5 major tips to shorten and accelerate your learning curve in a matter of months. This free report is the report that I wish I had when I first started learning programming back in 2009, and it would have saved me all the time and frustration it took me to start understanding programming. It's yours completely for free, and just scroll down below, click on the link, and just sign up for the free report today. This is Sahil reporting out.